Hey Ship Army, welcome back to another video. Today I do have some exciting new announcements, and we didn't have that many announcements for Shiba Inu, but seeing that, it's something that really puts a smile on my face. Right now the Ship Army is growing fast. It's growing fast enough, and you can see it's already having the promotion we need. Now it needs a lot more marketing promotion, but a lot of other people are doing their own part in listing Shiba Inu, or basically doing their own ways they can promote it. And recently we got on a car that's gonna be on our rally. You can see Shiba Army over here, and this is probably the marketing we're gonna be seeing a lot more in the future, as the Shiba Inu team announced that we're gonna be seeing much more marketing, which is something I'm super excited about. But seeing over here, this looks really cool. You can see even Shiba #Shiba Army, and you can also see here the diamond Shiba logo basically, and someone put this on this truck, and this is gonna be here for a long time. So really awesome to see a Shiba Inu holder promoting and doing his own thing. So thank you so much for dropping a like, as we're dropping into a lot of news. But hopefully you're having a fantastic weekend. Everyone is doing their own part. Everyone wants a different thing. Either someone wants the price to go up, someone else wants a burn. Everyone wants to see something done. And there's a huge demand still for a burn from what we see so far. But hopefully you're all doing well, as we're dropping into more news. So, from people relaxing to people working really hard, we got to talk about the Shiba Inu prices today, so you can keep updated with all the news that's happening. So right now, $20 into savings and $500 into Shiba. Perfectly balanced, as all things should be. And, everyone is putting into SHIB as it's dipping, as it's going up. I think Shiba Inu still hasn't had its bull run just yet, as we could be seeing new waves of growth pretty much soon. But the current holder update for SHIB is that there's probably not going to be 1 million holders by the end of the year unless we get a huge catalyst. So this means we get a huge update for all those holders out there, so they can get the rewards they deserve. Right now, getting 350,000 as Satoshi requested by the end of the year is not going to be easy, but hopefully it can be done. Now, seeing that, Leash still doesn't have as much holders, but it will get more in the future, and seeing that Bone could get many more as well. But you can see over here, people are still doing their own marketing. The teams has still announced that they will be having their own marketing as well, which is something I'm really excited for. As you can see, buy Shiba Coin, and that's really cool. People even playing video games are doing their own thing when they rank online, where they play online, and they're doing their own part. And Shiba Inu's price is still not that bad. It didn't crash like other meme coins. It just needs more utility and more development. That's all we need to see for SHIB, and that is something else I'm waiting for. But if you must buy Shiba Inu, do it on Friday. SHIB might just be a blue collar cryptocurrency, and the Friday is already over, so you gotta buy it today. It's a weekend warrior, and if you're still insistent your reliable system for profit of speculative crypto investments, even after my glaring admission that there's no meritocracy involved in the blockchain markets, then go ahead and gamble on Shiba Inu. It's your money and you're responsible for it. But according to the pricing data I compile from Yahoo Finance, props to the Fine team there for providing downloadable Excel files, the data presents the daily percentage gain loss averages by the day of the week. So as you can see over here, Wednesdays is the most that Shiba Inu grows, Saturdays and Sundays. Something you should keep in mind: the biggest drops are on Fridays, while the biggest highs are on Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to be repeating this again. Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're seeing the biggest gains in SHIB. Wednesday, 5%, Saturday, 3%, and Sunday also 3%. For whatever reason, Friday is the worst performing day, as the whales are probably dumping off the week for Shiba Inu, so they can go cruising on their yachts during the weekend, but averaging a loss of 4.5% against Thursday's session. That makes an ideal time to buy, because Saturday and Sunday provide an average gain of nearly 3%. So yes, in theory, you could profit largely off just buying on different days and selling them off, but it's still super risky, and that's simply crazy to me. And it's not financial nor tax advice. You might want to convert your SHIB holdings into stable coins as opposed to US dollars if you tend to trade frequently. So this is gonna be, the people's coin. It's gonna be the blue collar crypto, as Dogecoin is the blue collar crypto. Shiba Inu is gonna be the blue. As Dogecoin is the people's coin, the Shiba Inu is gonna be a blue collar crypto. So you know how people have been talking about the institutional money moving into major virtual currencies. Well, institutional folks tend to do their trading during the most high volume days, which is basically the work week. On the other hand, blue collar workers can't trade cryptos or other assets during the work week because they're actually working and being useful to society. Further, several white collar workers have been recalled to the physical cubicles, can't comfortably trade either. So trade low price cryptos on the weekends where they lax from stress. So this is why Shiba Inu is rising, because people buy Shiba Inu during their home. And in fairness, you might see a massive way if in Shiba Inu if the regulars decide to drive up the price. So we need the regulars, basically new people in crypto buying Shiba Inu for the price to increase. But on the other hand, when circumstances get gnarly, you might see a mad dash to the exits. So the whales might dip if Shiba Inu dips a lot. We still have a huge barrier to destroy before eating a zero, but it is possible. I do definitely have, some trust left in Shiba Inu, especially if the developers keep doing what they're doing. As the SEC investigating Uniswap Labs, Uniswap, one of the biggest decentralized exchanges, this is good for SHIB. Where Shiba Inu is basically a competitor to Uniswap. Hopefully Uniswap isn't listed as security. I'm wishing the best of luck to Uniswap, as I love Uniswap, but this is definitely going to affect Uniswap's price, and it's going to affect Shiba Inu Swap's price as well. Shiba Inu is fully decentralized, and the SEC has declined to comment. According to Wall Street, Uniswap is the Ethereum blockchain's largest decentralized exchange by trading volume. We're seeing so many, wrong things, but they're just being investigated. It's still a lot of FUD so far. So what's a realistic price for a SHIB in 2 years? And a lot of people are saying, it's going to be at this price point. So it's not going to be a half a penny, but this is, going to be pretty awesome. And one SHIB will equal one SHIB. That's what the charts are telling at least. So, nobody seriously knows the prices. But in 1 to 2 years, the prices could either seriously dip or they could go seriously high. According to the research we had for other crypto, all of these coins that survived the bear markets actually grew up in value. How much they grew up in value? Well, that depends on how many people invest into it. But there's some good news into it. So altcoins book 50% gains after Bitcoin, Ethereum set path to new highs. And all altcoins are now growing. Even Shiba Inu is growing a little bit more, even with a correction happening every day or so. It's completely fine, as we need to get listed on Coinbase. We need to get listed on all these exchanges. Things are already happening in the crypto space, and that's what's worrying me. Twitter is moving and Shiba Inu's price is not moving as much as Bitcoin's price is moving. So hopefully in altcoin season, we can see a lot of bigger increases. So for example, CryptoPunks already signing Hollywood deals with Hollywood agents. El Salvador's retirees protesting against Bitcoin adoption. All of these things are happening, but none of these affect Shiba Inu's price so far. But Twitter to allow to add Bitcoin Ethereum addresses to profiles per leaked screenshots is huge. Like, this is something else. Twitter product lead, there may be an announcement soon where he retweeted a post about Bitcoin tipping feature on September 1st with lightning and soon arrow emojis. So I'm really excited for that. But all of these things are happening. Binance exchanges and US crypto exchanges going public in 3 years. Like, all of these things are big, but nobody is yet talking about, how important this is. And, Shiba Inu really does need to catch up for its investors, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are growing, but Shiba Inu is not growing as much as, for example, so if you invested in Solana, if you invested in all other cryptocurrencies. So, investing in Solana 2 years ago, or maybe when it was released, would give you massive gains, and investing in any other cryptocurrencies. But it's still super early for a cryptocurrency market where you can make a lot of money. So gold bond portfolios are naked without Bitcoin, Bloomberg strategist asserts. Bloomberg strategists talking about this, but SHIB Unleash have been here from the start, and look how beautiful this is. Like, look at this. I just simply love this art. But Leash and Shiba are strong together, and it seems like they're not giving up on Shiba, as they will be growing Shiba Swap pretty soon, as traders are shifting from NFTs to DeFi, and DeFi seems to be growing again. You can see NFTs and DeFi over here. People are jumping the ship. So NFT prices are now dropping once again, but DeFi is not dropping in. It's basically increased the Ethereum prices, which is really good for Shiba Swap because this means Shiba Swap will once again grow just because it's early in the market. So while the NFT boom might not be over, multiple data points suggest that the bullish momentum has reached an exhaustion point, and the current run up in altcoin and DeFi prices is a signal that rotation is in early stages. So we are in fact going to be seeing, a lot of these big sponsorship deals happening pretty much soon, and hopefully Shiba Inu can catch up to the prices. So Italian soccer champion Inter secures 100 million crypto partnership deal, Inter Milan, Italia's range soccer, has signed a partnership agreement with blockchain company Zitara Labs. The collaboration aims to provide users of the clan's mobile app with access to crypto products and allow Inter to create a digital collectible for fans around the world. Like, this is simply crazy to me. Look at this. These are huge partnerships that you never thought would happen before, but now they're happening. 85 million euros paid. Like, these are some big partnerships, and this has never happened before 10 years ago in the crypto space. But now this money is, something that just gets made in an article, and it will become the first official global digital banking partner of Inter, while digital bits will be the club's first official global currency. Like, this is a next level to me. But really exciting to see as crypto keeps growing. Thank you so much for dropping a like. Until next time, peace, everyone.